Right, we're going to do this video in one take. What is that, Jason?
Top idler pulley.
Top idler pulley. Mine's a little bit noisy, so here we go. One take video. One sheet dos plenty. Oh, needs a bit of strength.
Just slip the bolt off.
Just slip that bolt off, sir.
Before this, I've already cracked this bolt off.
All right,
makes it easier. It's a long bolt.
It's a long bolt. Doesn't look too long.
Oh, it's a bit stiff.
Is it?
Yeah. I feel it. It's notchy.
Notchy. Okay. Come on, we're against the clock.
Exactly the same one.
Okay, good stuff.
Perfect.
And it's black, which is even better. Hey Jason, you know where we charge an hour to do this job?
Yeah.
This video's going to debunk that, isn't it?
Yes, but it's just a minimum charge, Dan.
Oh yeah, I get what you're saying. If it comes in the garage, it's an hour, ain't it?
Yep.
And some of that hour, I suppose, is diagnosis. Okay, we missed a little bit out there because my phone rang, and I am filming on my phone, so I apologise for that. But there you go. It didn't take too long, did it? And it's in place. Well done, Jason.
Thanks, Daniel.
Are you happy with that?
Job.
I can't believe that phone call ruined it. Oh well. He is on holiday, ain't he? Bless him.
Yeah.
Right, there you go. There's another one done.
Yeah, you can hear it. Don't know if you can hear it on that, but...
They can hear your finger. Yeah, alright, okay.
Thanks.
You have got Mars bar fingers, haven't you, Jason?
Mars bar.
Is that why? Is that so you're well good at the sex?